Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so finally, something happened today, something very interesting. Mexico folded on the tariffs, and we're getting a pump on the markets. But here's what's important. Here's what's important, my friends. And I want you to really keep in mind what I'm about to say. What's important is that Nvidia last week dropped because of DeepSeek, which we know that was just stupid. Like, we're still going to have to buy the chips from Nvidia. In order for AI to succeed, we still got to buy the chips from Nvidia. You know, America first, right? We're not going to be buying them from China. That doesn't make sense. So as of right now, what I'm thinking is, I think Trump's playbook is here's some tariffs. Either this is going to hurt both of us, but you're going to have to fold anyways, Canada and Mexico, or you fold now and save us both the pain of, everything costing more, much more. Save us the pain of a tariff war, essentially, right? So Mexico folded. Now we're just waiting on Canada to fold. My bet is that Canada will fold. It doesn't matter if they fold right today or tomorrow or a year from now. They will fold. They cannot sustain this trade war. With that said, I think RGTI is a buy. It's a buy. I give it a buy now. Like, that's it. Buy. I only have so much money, so unfortunately I won't be able to buy because I bought a lot of Nvidia and I bought some SoundHound and Riot stock. So because right now everything's cheap. Like, think about that for a second. Everything got real cheap. So right now it's a buy. It's a buy, but again, we're not here to day trade it. We're here for a swing. So be willing to hold for weeks and months. How do you capture big gains, right? We know how to capture big gains. We've seen it. All these people that bought down here nice and cheap, they had to wait months before and even when it pumped, they had to wait like a whole month for the pump to end. So you got to be willing to hold. We're not here to flip it for, 10 cents or $1. We're waiting to capture a big move. So I think it's a buy, but I'm not buying because unfortunately my money is tied up on everything else that I just mentioned. But I would buy it if I had I should not have bought so much Nvidia, I guess, but it is what it is, right? I didn't think we were everyone was uncertain, and the market hates uncertainty. Now we know, at least I think, I'm assuming that Trump's play was to get these two countries to fold. China ain't gonna fold, but for sure, 25% for Canada and Mexico, they're gonna fold. They have to. They cannot win this. So I would expect the market to pump now, because now there's no uncertainty. Now we know for a fact that even if Canada refuses to fold, they will eventually and will continue to pump. Like, this should be the easiest money we ever make, but it's gonna take time. It's gonna take weeks. It's gonna take months for us to get that big pump. Even if it comes down more, don't be afraid. Like, this is just confidence in my strategy. But number two, seeing the big picture. Right now, I'm not even talking about Rigetti. I'm talking about the big picture. Ever since Trump came into office, what happened since the 20th? Big pump, right? Everyone got excited. Woo, going to the moon. And we just went sideways because it's like, oh, wait, what's happening? Tariffs, what? My eggs are going to be like $10 a box. I don't even eat eggs. I don't care about eggs. I eat my lentils because they got plenty of protein and they're cheap. Throw them in my rice cooker. I'm good, right? Okay, that's it. This is your buy signal. I think, if you look at the big picture, the uncertainty is out of the way. But if things come down cheaper because he does something else, well, then now we know how the market's going to react. Think about what I'm saying. If Trump does something else that sends the markets tanking, we know, like, I don't know why people like to pretend like Trump is stupid or something. Like, he's just a complete buffoon. Like, he has a team behind him. He's not an idiot. This guy knows what he's doing. And he's got a team behind him. So you have to trust Trump, but also take advantage of him, right? Of the fact that he causes the markets to dump, because it's nothing more than an opportunity. That is my speculation. That is what I believe. That is it for the video. I'll see you guys when we go to the moon.